காடுடைய சுடலை பொடி பூசியன் உள்ளம் கவர் கள்வன் ஏடுடைய மலரான் உன்னை நாட்பணிந்தேத்த அருள் செய்ய வீடுடைய பிரமாபுரமேவிய So this is the first stanza of this song, and this pun is called Nattapadai. Nattapadai. The name of this tune is called the pun I told you. So this is the very first pun which he sang. It is called Nattapadai. Okay. How many of you are learning Carnatic music? So the equivalent of, can you say what the equivalent of Nattapadai is? Gambhira Nate. Okay? Gambhira Nate. Sa ga ma pa ni sa sa ni pa ma ga sa. Okay? So it has got 5 notes. Sa ga ma pa ni sa sa ni pa ma ga sa. Is there any significance in the number of 5? When you say number 5, is there anything which comes to your mind regarding Saivism? There is something called as a Panchakshara mantra. Pancha means 5. Tell me. You have an answer? Yeah, very good. Namah Shivaya. Om is always added to any mantra. Namah Shivaya. So you have the 5 syllables, sacred syllables for the Shaiva mantra, and we have the Nattapadai, which also has 5 notes. So you have this 5 notes is a scale which is called Nattapadai, and in the Carnatic music called it Gambhira Nate. Okay? And if you go to, how many of you are learning dance, Bharatanatyam? You have this Mallari, right? Have you learned Mallari? Tatitum nam nam tum titta takita taka ta 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 ti 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 tum 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 nam nam nam. This is known as the Mallari, which is also called as Purapada in a temple. So when the deity is taken on a procession, they use this raga or pun, Nattapadai, which was created by who? Who introduced this pun to music? Sirujnana Sambandha. Okay? Is it clear?
Yeah.
So the first song is Thodude Seviyan. The pun is Nattapadai. Where was it sung? Sirgadi. Viramapuram, he says. Brahmapuram is another name for Sirgadi. Okay. So Brahmapuram is another name for Sirgadi. So when the father asked, the child is replying in this song. Okay. And how long did Samandar live? Yeah, tell me the answer. 16 years old. So from 3 to 16, how many years of singing, composing? 13. So he has given us maximum amount of funds, 21 funds. And we have there is a place called Tamil Changam in Chennai, where a lot of Oduvars come and discussed these things and they have given us the equivalent for the pan and the raga. Okay? Then we have pan, sadari. We have a sadari pan for which you have, the equivalent of sadari is Pantuvarali raga. Okay? Another important Devaram of Sundaramurti Nayana, Ponnar Meniyane. How many of you know? Ponnar Meniyane. Isn't it? Can you sing that? How do you sing that? What is the other Devaram you know? I'll tell you the pun. How many Devarams you have learned? Sing that. Sing something which you all know. Talaye ni vanangai. You've heard that one? That's called Thiru Angamalai. You know who composed that one? Tirunavakar sir, upper. This is called Thiru Angamalai because it addresses every limb of the body. Talaye ni vanangai. And the pan is called Sadari, which is equivalent to Pantuvarali. Okay? Talaye ni vanangai. This pan, all three of them have composed. Sundaramurti Nayana has composed. Ponnar Meniyane and Enna Punniyam Seidane Nenjame. That is composed by Tirunjana Sambandar. Okay? Okay? Yeah. So, you have this Talaye ni vanangai, Kangal kan mingalo. So he talks about the eye. So you are blessed to see his form. Kaigal, the hands are there to do the, offer flowers. Like that, each and every stanza gives you about the greatness of each limb of your body, which is there to serve the Lord. Okay? So, what are the other Devarams you know? Okay. Then, any other pan? When you study the Devaram, have they given you the name of the pan? That's what I wanted to know. Nattapade. Again Nattapade. So you have got many songs in Nattapade. Then I'll give you 5 names of pans. Okay? One is Nattapade. Then the other one is Sadari, as I told you. Then we have Takkesi. Takkesi is another name of the pan. The equivalent is Kamboji. Then we have got Piyande Gandharam, which is known as Navaroj Raga. And then we have Sevvali pan, which is called Yadukula Kamboji. Okay? So we have the names of the pans and we have the equivalent of ragas. So these people, when they sang, like Tirunjana Sambandar, what do you find in his hand? You find a talam, isn't it? You find a talam. So they used to always use this symbol. It's called cymbals. Okay? Cymbals. To sing the talam. Sing the Devaram. So he went to a place called Tirukkolakka near Sirgadi, and as a child when he was doing his talam like this, it is said that goddess Parvati gave him a beautiful golden cymbal, a pair of golden cymbals. So because of that, the cymbal made some beautiful sound, and that goddess there in the temple is called Osai Kodutha Nayagi. In Tirukkolakka, if you go there, the goddess name is called Osai Kodutha Nayagi because she gave the beautiful sound for the cymbal, which was gifted to, again, Tirunjana Sambandar by the Lord himself there, and she gave the sound. Okay? So, what else you want to ask? I don't know the duration of this lecture.
Till 7 o'clock. Or 7
Let us, do you know the first, yeah.
I just have a question. What's the difference between pan and ragam?
The difference between pan and ragam is that the definition of pan is pannapattadu pan, which is given in the work called Panchamarabu. Pannapattadu pan means whatever has been created, and also when you sing the music, there are 8 places in the body which vibrate. So, along with that 8 places, you have like 6 Adhara Chakrangal and the 8 centers of the body, from starting from the head. You have the nose, then you have the mouth, the throat, this region, and here, and the Mooladhara. So you have 8. Apart from that, you have the tongue, teeth, everything, because you have to, everything has to be in unison to produce this sound. So along with these centers, you have different types of gamakas, we call in music, or eduttal paduttal, meaning different type of movement in sound. So those movements along with these centers have to act in unison to create this pan. So pannapattamayal pan endru peyar அப்படிங்கிறது வந்து, that is the definition which has been given in a work called Panchamarabu, written by Arivanar. Okay, so that is how we have this name called pan, and also that has been what has been created. It means the tune as well as the hymn as well as your method of singing. So everything is there some action.